Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Good morning, everybody. It's December 13th, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing, all the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index is at 28 from yesterday's 27 and Friday's 16. Bitcoin dominance is at 41.2%. 24-hour volume is at 73 billion. Wow, that's low. And the overall market cap is 2.24 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Groundhog Day 6, Rocket Day shirt 18. And this is officially the last day I wear the rocket shirt. This shirt is correlated with market sentiment. Right now, the sentiment is just plain old bored AF. And that's how I feel about this shirt. So she'll be coming off after today's video. Did you hear that, reverse psychology gods of the market? I said I'm taking off this shirt, so do what you will with that information, reverse psychology gods. Over on the daily, we made a move yesterday that finished with an old-fashioned rejection. And at this point, Bitcoin is like an actor in pilot season, going from audition to audition, getting no's after every single read. Don't call us, we'll call you, says the Bears. I don't know about you, but I was almost waiting for the inevitable slap back down, and sure enough, she came. So what has the market been doing, and what can we expect to see based on that info? Thanks for asking. Well, we're definitely playing out our bizarre attraction to the 200 moving average. We just can't seem to get over its je ne sais quoi. We keep telling our friends that the 200 moving average is definitely not our type. But there's just something about it that we just, kind of like. And our friends tell us, listen, she's trouble, stay away from her. And we do, but late night after the bar, we get home, we throw out that text, hey, what's up? We can see here on Friday, we beelined it right to her in a shooting star candle. Gave her the old, I was just in the neighborhood line. Then we came to our senses after we saw a bottle of Drakkar Noir in the bathroom cabinet when we went snooping through it, and thought, A, I didn't know that Drakkar Noir still existed, and B, who is keeping a bottle of it here? So out the door we went, rallied up to almost 51K before whack, the bear paw swatted us down. Last week we said that if 48 didn't hold, we could see decent support at 46.7. Decent support at 48K and again at 46.7. Well, that's exactly what we saw. Price action bounced off of 46.7. So she held, and that's great, but will she hold again? I don't know, and quite honestly, I don't want to find out. This wick here at 48.2 seemed to shake some sense into price action for now. Let's hope we can hammer up and turn this candle into a green hammer. That would mean getting up past the 49.4 level, which historically is no big whoop. But with such low volume, 73 billion egads. It's like asking a lazy teenager to mow the lawn. It might get done today, but there'll be a lot of humming and hawing if it gets done at all. A quick look at the weekly sees we did close the week green, but just by the hair of our weekly chinny chin chin. It really wasn't with a lot of gusto and bravado. It was more like watching the end of a half marathon because your annoying jogger friend made you go see them cross the finish line. And it took them so long that not only was everyone gone, but they had taken down the finish line ribbons and he just kind of whimpered over in dramatic desperation. And you were there golf clapping as they collapsed. That's what the weekly close was like. But hey, I can squint and make out a spinning top. And at the end of 3 red candles, I'll take a spinning top. It has a high probability of signaling a market reversal. Now, did we cross bearish on the MACD? Yeah. Thanks for asking. I didn't want to go there today. I was just going to take my annoying jogger friend to the pancake house and pretend I'm proud of him for closing green. I mean, it might not be something, but it sure ain't nothing. So remember, we're playing the same game as a psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Hey, cha cha cha.